Baby, when are you taking me to South Africa?
Soon.
Baby, every time you keep telling me soon. Baby, I told my girlfriend in the village, I told the babe that I'll be going to South Africa. I can't just wait to call her with South African number so that she will know that I've arrived. Please, now when are we going?
Listen. Speaking of South Africa, is it a must that we go to South Africa together?
But you promised to take me there.
So?
I was just curious. I can't just wait to go there. I just want to see how
Keep that curiosity to yourself. Stop bugging me.
Desmond. I don't understand you these days. Desmond, you have changed. This is not the Desmond I used to know. You get angry at every slightest provocation. Why?
That's because you piss me off with your silly questions. Now let me tell you, enough of this South African thing.
Hi, baby. Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Anyway, I hope you've not forgotten what today's date is.
So what's so special about today?
Today is a very special day in my life. My birthday! Baby.
You're making this sound like I won one big contract or there's a big project coming my way. So, your birthday. So what do I do?
Honey, I don't understand you. I just told you that today is my birthday. A very special day in my life. And look at what you're saying to me. My own husband.
So what do you want to do now? No, tell me.
At least you should wish me well. Long life and prosperity is all I deserve as your wife.
Oh, my wonderful wife, precious, angelic wife just said I should wish her a happy birthday. Happy birthday, darling. I hope that's enough. Excuse me.
It is not enough. You aren't going anywhere. You should take me out.
Alright, I heard you. A cup of ice cream or two will do. Maybe probably one of these fast food journeys. Is that okay? Excuse me. Come on. Jen, where's Jerry? Meet me outside.
Hey, what kind of a man did I get married to? Honey, are you going out?
No. I'm not going out. I'm going in. You see?
Yeah, your wife will not kill.
Why are you talking to me like that? Is there a problem?
You see what I keep telling you about this bitch? You see what I keep telling you about this girl? Bugging me all the time. What's the problem? I wouldn't even have a moment of rest in this house.
I don't understand you. You were supposed to take me out.
Take you out? As in what? I'm sorry to disappoint you. We never had that discussion. Do you understand me? Nigga, you see what I keep telling you? No, don't tell me to calm down, Jerry. I don't like that. She's fond of this. Now you listen and listen real good. Go right in there to the kitchen and prepare my meal. That's where you belong, and the other room.
Your meal shouldn't be an excuse. Your meal is ready. I've prepared it.
Alright?
The issue is where you're going to.
You heard me. Get out of here! Bitch! You're stupid! I said, you are stupid!
Desmond, you are the one who is very stupid, hopeless, shameless! Are you not supposed to be a responsible married man? Look at what you've turned yourself into, you stink!
You called me a drunk. All sort of names. It is not your fault. It's not your fault. Just look at you. Idiots that I brought out of that poverty-stricken home of yours. Yes. You guys never had food to eat. I was the one responsible for your being this girl today. Yet you still don't appreciate me. What do I get in return? Nagging. Insults. Idiot.
My goodness! What? Hey! Desmond! Give that to me. Desmond. So this is what you carry about? Desmond, you're shameless. Desmond, I cursed the day I met you.
You're talking to me like poverty.
Desmond!
Yes. You are a very stupid woman, that's what you are.
Desmond, you didn't raise your hand against me.
And I will raise my hands over and over and over. If you don't, as more of that, I will use my belt and whip the hell out of your stupid ass. Retarded bitch who is supposed to be appreciating all my efforts. Idiot. Not your fault.
Baby.
Everywhere.
You're here.
What's up, boo baby?
Okay.
What's up?
I'm ready to go.
That's my baby right there. That's my baby right there. It's all good, man. You know how I do, baby. Alright, I will hit you up at the club, you understand? You know, we jack it up like, you know how we jack it up like.
Yeah, dude. But don't forget to bring the money when you're coming.
You know I got my money spent. As long as you give me this, tweak it up, tweak it up, tweak it up.
Alright.
That's my baby. Alright, be good, huh? So what are you supposed to do? Swag it up, baby. Yeah, swag it up. 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 You always come loyal. You always come loyal.
Desmond! Desmond! Who is that girl? I am asking you a question! Who is that girl?
Sometimes I wonder if this house belongs to you or me. Huh?
Desmond, what are you talking about? That I saw a strange girl in my matrimonial home. I shouldn't talk? Who the hell is she?
Don't raise your voice at me. Do you understand me?
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'm calm. But please tell me, who is she and what is she doing in our house? Who?
She's just a friend. That's just a friend.
What do you mean by that? A friend? But I don't know her.
You still know all my friends? Do you know the kind of friends I have out there?
Oh, please don't tell me that. You call her just your friend, but I saw her kissing you. Why are you lying?
Oh, so with all the education I gave you, you still don't know the difference between kiss and peg?
Desmond, stop lying to me. What is wrong with you? I saw her kiss you and you're still lying? Why would you kiss a girl that is not your wife?
Don't talk to me in that manner. I'm your husband.
I'm your wife for crying out loud. What are you talking about? What are you doing with a strange girl in my house? Our house!
Word of correction. Did I just hear you clearly? You said our house? Oh, this house that I built with my own money? With my own cheddar? With my own moolah? With my own dough? With my own Benjamin? Is what you refer to as our house?
You heard me properly!
You must be insane. And your retarded father out there afford this kind of exquisite queen.
can he afford this kind of a sweet mansion? He can't because he doesn't have the money. He can't because he is a nobody. He can't because he is retarded. Now, just mind the way you talk. Mind the way you talk.
Desmond, I have warned you. I have warned you time to that number that on no account should you involve my parents in any discussion I'm having with you. We wouldn't listen. Desmond, I don't like it though. I don't like it.
Now right this minute, I want you to get out of my sight. Get up! Get up!
Oh, my eyes have seen my ears. Desmond is not who we think he is. He yells at me. He talks to me anyhow. He gets angry at me in every single thing I do. He treats me like a house girl. Oh, I'm tired. I'm very tired.
Men are like that. Just follow him with caution. Then gradually you will begin to understand him. And he too will begin to understand you. And everything will be fine. You understand what I'm saying?
Mama, it's not easy for me. It's not easy for me. I'll try. I saw a gun in the drawer at the dining. What is gun doing in this house?
Don't let me repeat myself. I said get me food we eat.
Desmond, I demand to know what you are doing with a gun. Why do you have a gun in your house?
You want to know what I'm doing with a gun?
Yes!
You want to know what I'm doing with a gun? You want to know what I'm doing with a gun? You want to know what I'm doing with a gun?
Desmond! Desmond!
Oh! What do you mean you don't want? Are you not supposed to be my wife? Huh?
I am not in the mood for all this. Leave me alone.
Oh, come on.
I'm not in the mood for that. I said I'm not in the mood for that. Leave me. I'm not doing this with you. Leave me.
Are you not supposed to be my wife? Huh?
I said I do not want. Let go. My body. I'll never be a soft with a woman.
Have you made my breakfast?
It's at the dining.
My food is at the dining.
Seriously, I'm not happy. I don't like the way you've been treating me lately. You don't treat me as your wife. Last night you dragged me as if I was a dog. Now you started it again. Please. You should stop this thing you're doing. I'm not feeling fine. I need money. I need money to go to the hospital and take care of myself.
You need money to go to the hospital?
Yeah.
Tell her to the beds.
Imano kwere Kambuziano wemo Okaromo bi Ujina tumo Oboko asiade Kosia fo Love nerikoko Love a woman.
Can I help you? What the fuck? You asking me if you can help me? What a rude way of talking to me. Who the hell do you think you are? Do you know me? Do you know who I am?
Are you mad? Look at this cheap whore. Hello? Have you lost your senses? So you came to my husband's house. Oh, you don't know that Desmond is married. And you open your silly mouth to ask me stupid questions. Are you mad? Have you lost it? I said, will you shut up your mouth?
Don't you have manners? Don't you know how to welcome visitors?
Shut up! Who are you?
My friend, if you don't know what to say, just shut your mouth and get your filthy self out from my way. Let me get
the one who have to shut your mouth.
Shut it! Look at you!
You're very shameless. You are epitome of shame. You're very stupid. So you come to my husband's house and order me around. As who? If you try any nonsense with me, I will break you. Get out of my house!
Hey! Enough of that. Now tell me what's going on.
You ask this prostitute what she's doing in my house.
Baby, can you imagine this filthy thing? You call it wife. I don't even know what she's calling herself. She's asking me if she can help me. She's even crying out. She's even calling me names. That I'm a prostitute. She's going to break my head. Desmond, because I came to look for you. Desmond, you better take care of this shit.
Now I ask you, did you say all this to her?
I didn't.
She's lying. Desmond, she is lying.
Because I knew it. How many times have I ever warned you not to ever insult my visitors or embarrass them in any sort of ways?
You're slapping me because of this whore? You're slapping your wife?
And he will slap you again if you don't mind your business. Rubbish.
Yeah. You understand? What was it? where I'm going to. What business of yours is that? Now, do not ask me some questions anymore. Do you understand me?
Honey, what have I done wrong? But I asked my own husband where he's going to. When has that become a problem?
So now I've become your houseboy. You ask a question anyhow you like. Huh?
I never said you're my houseboy, but as your wife, I demand to know your whereabouts, and that's not a problem.
Don't ask me such questions anymore. So you don't see the other side of me.
Okay, baby, wait. Please. I want to ask you for something. Please, when I need money to make my hair is old.
You need money to fix your hair. I'm sorry I don't have money. And speaking of hair, what's wrong with the hairdo? Talking of your hair being old. When you were in your retarded father's house, you make new hair then? No, I ask you.
I don't like what you just said right now. I don't like it. I have told you time to that number that whenever I'm discussing anything with you, you shouldn't get my parents involved.
Oh, you shut up, Jack. Who's your parents? Who's your parents? The truth of the matter right now is that I'm sick and tired of you. I'm sick of you. Sick of you. I need you no more in my life. It's clearly obvious you're tired of this marriage, and that's what it is. I'm gonna listen for the minute. Listen and listen real. By the time I come back, I don't want to see you anywhere near this place. I've just told you that. Just get that.
All right.
Respect whatever I say. Do you understand me?
All right, honey, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to annoy you, please. I'm sorry.
Let that sorry take it to your father. Take that story to your father. That's not for me. Excuse me. Not honey me. I've told you countless times not to call me honey. I'm not interested. Do you understand me?
Please, honey, I'm sorry. It will not happen again.
Sorry for your sorry ears. I don't need that.
Okay, give me a second chance. I will not offend you again. Please, I'm sorry. Please, my love.
Seems you don't get the picture, right? You don't get the picture.
That's what I'm saying. Please. I'm very sorry. I promise not to do it again. I will never offend you again. Please.
You want to get a picture right now?
Honey?
Where does it picture? To watch me act.
Honey? Honey, please. Wait. Honey, please. Honey. Honey, please. I'm begging. Honey. Honey, why is your face like this? Huh? Honey, are you okay? Honey.
Fumnanya, what is it? Fumnanya, what is it? You're crying. Fumnanya, what happened? Talk to me and your mother. What happened? Fumnanya.
I did not do anything to him. I only asked him for money to make my hair. And this man brought out gun that he was going to shoot me.
Yes. You asked him for money to make your hair. And he brought out a gun to shoot you. Is he mad?
Mama, I don't know. Mama, please. I need you to help me beg this month. I don't want the villagers to mock me. I want to go back to my this boy, please.
Nobody will mock you. You're my daughter. I will go and talk to him. And you will go back to your house. Stop crying, please. Eh?
Who do we have here? You are beaming with smiles as somebody that won a lottery.
Hey,
By the way, have you finished enjoying your breath of fresh air with Desmond the Don?
Nani, please, instead of you to sympathize with your daughter, you're here laughing at her.
Oh, why should I find out when she's crying? She's crying because she wants to cry.
You can see that she's heartbroken.
Oh, she's already heartbroken. No, don't worry, this is the beginning, it's the starting point. Okorocha Amadarawo. That is just that. Have a breath of fresh air.
Nani, go now. Nani.
Yes.
I want to ask you to please go and see our in-law.
Who is your in-law?
Desmond, our in-law.
Desmond is not my in-law. He is your in-law. So don't call him my in-law.
Okay. Let's not argue over that.
Okay.
But I would like you to go and see him, so you can discuss this issue with our daughter. I mean, why would he pull out a gun to shoot her? It doesn't make sense. If you go and represent yourself as her father, you should have respect for my daughter, our daughter.
Did you not invite Anika, my brother, to stand by you when you wanted to give Funaya's hand in marriage? You can still go to Anika and ask him to go and meet Desmond and bring the inquiry of whatever you demand from him.
From all you're saying, it's obvious you don't want to go. No problem. I will go and see him. But let me tell you something. It is quite unfortunate that there will be a man in the house and I will be expected to go and meet the in-law. No problem. I will be the man. I will go and represent my daughter.
You have been doing the work of the man in this house. So go ahead. Carry on with your good work. Carry on.
No problem. This is your state of poverty from the day I married you. Still written all over you and the decisions you take in life.
Desmond would have blasted her head with that gun. You're marrying a rich man.
Hey, my in-law. The Don.
Listen to me. Do not call me your in-law. Do you understand me?
The Don.
Hey, don't even step on me. Get down.
Please. Please. Whatever Funanya has done to you, forgive her. With time, she will learn, she will understand you better, and then you would understand her, and you people would live happily.
Listen, Mama. As far as I'm concerned, your daughter is a waste being on me.
Eh?
She's a waste being on me.
Waste being?
Yeah, that's what it is.
What's waste being?
Okay. Tell you something. You don't get it cold right now, huh?
Cold?
You don't understand me cold.
Are you crying for Funanya? But she loves you. Oh, my dear son, she loves you. Please don't cry. Stop crying, my in-law. Stop crying.
Wait for me.
The poor boy is crying. My daughter is equally crying. That means they love each other so much. Crying with his mouth wide open for that matter. Oh.
Mana speak.
Come.
Mana speaks.
Wait.
Mana.
Come.
Mana. Hey, yo, Mama, come through. Mana. You would have waited for me, Mama. Say Mana speaks. Mana. You have waited. You go mad.
Has forgiven me. Mama, talk to me now.
Hey.
What did he say?
My eyes saw the back of my ears. I am volunteering. Why for life?
What happened? Tell me.
Hey, there is no way I will go back to that house again. Do you know it's only God that saved me?
Tell me exactly what happened. What is the problem?
That boy almost shot me. He almost shot me with his gun.
Why?
There's no way I'm going back there. That boy is mad though. He is really mad. There's no way you're going back there.
Please. I cannot stay here. I need to go back to my husband's house. Are you saying I cannot go back to my husband's house again?
Instead of you to thank God that I came out alive, you're here talking about going back to your husband's house. You're on your own.
I really want to go back to my husband's house. I don't want to really just walk me. What will become of me, Mama? To understand this thing. Mama, why are you limping? Huh?
From where? Can't see where that's how I fell in his house.
Hey, Mama,
yeah?
Okay, I'm sorry. Please. Oh, let me help you up, okay? So you go and rest.
You are not even crying like a real woman who has seen a breath of fresh air.
Papa, why are you doing this to me?
Do what am I doing?
Papa, you know very well that I'm heartbroken now. Is this what you should be telling me?
Oh, she's heartbroken. Why not climb a tree and shout it to the entire village that I'm heartbroken? I'm heartbroken. I'm heartbroken. Let me tell you. Go and climb the tree and tell them you're heartbroken. Promise.
You're still crying? You're still crying over that young man? Do you want to kill yourself because of him?
No, Mama, I want to go back to my husband's house. I want to go back to Desmond.
That is not why you should die because of Desmond. You go and talk to your father's brother, Anika. Maybe he can help us. Oh? It's okay. Oh my goodness, stop crying. Let's go inside, let's go inside. Ebezina.
Let me understand. You say you want me to go to the city and talk to your in-law this morning.
Exactly.
And that last time you were there, he had a gun and nearly shot you.
Yes, sir.
And you still want me to go there?
Yes, I want you to go there and talk to him. Let him come back here and take his wife. That's all.
You know, it's been a long time sitting.
I might not find my way back home. I might get lost there.
No, you will not get lost. I'm going to write down the directions for you and put down the address. There's no way you will get lost. So don't worry about that one. It will be taken care of.
But with the address does not mean I can't get lost in the city. You know how city is.
I can see that you really don't want to go. You're just delivered. You're not a man in the real sense of the word. You're just sitting like a woman. You don't want to do anything. No problem. Don't worry. I will handle this thing.
Don't stop it. You know, this voice.
Thank you.
We are going.
Yes.
You want me to go and die for what I don't know? See.
What are we going to do about this thing? This marriage thing?
I've told you to stop using that word. We. It is you. Whatever you want to say you on your own. When you were jumping from point to point, place to place, shouting the don, you never believed that a day like this will come. You didn't believe. A daughter, just your only child. A man came from nowhere. You've never seen him before, and you determined that this man was the best to marry your daughter.
Well, I am sorry for not coming to you. You know, you have this gift of seeing into the future. But the thing is, which way forward?
Have you ever taken any of my words seriously?
Familial, where are you going to?
I'm going back to beg my husband. I'm going to Desmond. I am tired of all this.
You're going back to Desmond's house?
Yes.
Do you want to die?
Is it not better for me? Is it not better I die in my husband's house than to live here with the shame and disgrace from the villagers and from my father? Is it not better?
Chelkwang, my daughter, I can't allow that. You're not going anywhere.
Mama, don't touch me! Don't touch me!
I shouldn't touch you.
You heard me.
Is it me you're talking to like that? Try it one more time and I will dislocate your jaw for you.
Mama, I will talk to you anyhow. Because you do not deserve my respect. You are responsible for my present predicaments. Look at me. What nonsense. Break my jaw now. Break my jaw. Hey! Hey!
So it is me that you're using that mouth you used to suck this breast to abuse, eh? It shall never be well with you. Eh? Yes, it will not be well.
Mama, it will not be well with you too. It will never be well with you. Look at you. Are you a good mother? Are you a good mother? Have you seen what you've done to me? You've ruined my life. I cursed the day you conceived me. You're a very wicked woman.
So you now curse me. With this mouth that you used to suck this breast, you now curse me. You know what? I disown you.
Hey, look at what you're talking about. I disown you too. I do not even want you as my mother again. What have you done for me? You have misled me. You useless your life. You useless your life with Olisa. You useless your life with God. You useless my life with Olisa. And my God will judge you. God will judge you. They can package you together. You useless your life for 4 years with Olisa. You are just a greedy woman. Look at you. You are not satisfied. You can never be satisfied. Don't talk to me. You will not talk to me.
What? Me? Beg Olisa on your behalf? It's a lie. You're a liar. I cannot do that. Nanya, when I was busy begging you to think twice before you take a decision, you refused and you called me a jealous friend. Now you have come to me to help you beg Olisa on your behalf. It's a lie. I cannot do it.
Babe, why are you talking like this? Please, I need your help. Please.
Please, 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 please. Nanya, I beg you in the name of God. Please, we are not sisters anymore. We are not blood related anymore. Don't call me your sister again. If you want to talk to Lisa, use your leg and your mouth and go and talk to him. I can never and will never do that. If you know where you took your bath, go there and collect your clothes.
Obula jonno kamukulite Ifomam jinaka odanarumo Onyomam bunobi akonarumo Asimu kambakwa Akwe pero bube Ejengono muyoya Imano kwerekwe Kambuziano wemo Okaromo bi
I can hear you.
Papa, I know I have really offended you. I have disrespected you in so many ways. I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault. It was Mama that deceived me. Papa, the truth is that I never loved Desmond. It was Olisa I loved so much. But Mama deceived me to get married to Desmond because he said he was going to take me to abroad.
Can you hear yourself? Just listen to yourself. A grown-up like you, a university graduate, does not know her left and her right. So shameful.
Oh. But please forgive me. I will not do it again. I'm sorry, Mama.
There is nothing to forgive here. You didn't offend me. The person you owe apology is Olisa. So go and look for Olisa wherever you may find him and apologize to him. That's all.
But Olisa is not picking my calls. I've called him severally. He doesn't talk to me.
From now, you are disturbing me. Let me, I want to have some peace and rest.
Your food is ready.
When last did you serve me food in this house? Did I tell you I was hungry? Please take this thing out of here.
Some people left their husband's house to come and give my husband food in my husband's house.
Take it away, please.
Anyway, my darling, my shoo. Don't mind that girl. Honey, what would you like to eat? Just tell me, let me go and prepare it for you.
Did I beg you for food? Did I tell you I am hungry? I don't need to eat, please. Just let me rest.
When you're ready to eat, just tell me what you want. I'll go and prepare it for you.
Seriously, I haven't been able to sleep. I have been having a series of nightmares.
And how is any of that my business?
I want to go and see Olisa in the city. But why are you treating your sister like this? It's unfair. It's me. Why are you behaving like this? I need you to lend me some money. Please, I'll pay you back.
Eh? You want me to lend you some money? Didn't you come back from the house?
I told you.
No. You did not tell me everything. You did not.
Okay. My husband beat me up and threw me out of the house. I did not come out with a pin. I came out only with my handbag. I have nothing with me. I have nothing. Please, my sister, help me, please.
Nice. What are you doing?
Please. Please. I'm very sorry. I am deeply sorry. I know I've sinned against you. I'm here to ask for your forgiveness. Please, forgive me. I'm sorry. Please.
This is not necessary at all. Because I don't have any grudges in my mind against you. It's long gone.
No, you do, please. Lisa, if you don't forgive me, I cannot forgive myself. I know from the depth of my soul I have sinned against you. I've hurt you deeply. That's why I'm asking for your forgiveness. Please, forgive me. Please.
Let me even ask you. Where's your husband? What's his name again? Desmond the dog. Is he aware you're here?
Please do not talk about him. I don't love him. Lisa, it's you I love. Please, do not throw me away. Please, you're my last hope. Please, go, please, I beg.
No, please, girl. Just get up.
Please, forgive me. I'm very sorry. Please. I know you still love me. If not 100%, but at least 50. Please. I am ready to do anything you want. If you want us to get married today, tomorrow, anytime. Please, I am ready for you. I'm sorry. Please.
See how smooth that came out of you. See how smooth you said it. It was very easy for you, right? But I think you seem to forget very fast. You seem to forget that this is not just me and you. We're people. We come from a place. It wasn't just me. My parents, the whole community were involved. My mother, my father, everybody. So how can you just come here and think it's just our only decision?
No.
It doesn't work that way.
Before I came here, I already decided to apologize to anyone I have wronged. I'll go to mother and apologize. I'll go to father, anybody, any of your relations. Please. I'm ready to ask for forgiveness.
Well, I don't think it will be necessary.
Olisa, please.
Don't break the
I made your favorite. Please eat.
I can't remember ever telling you that I was hungry.
But you've not eaten since I got here.
I think you're pushing the still too far. Excuse me.
Baby.
Post office. I have something to sort out there.
I mean, can't I spend the night here?
That's not possible.
I don't have anywhere to go.
It's not true. Hey, stop! Your cousin Juliet lives in this town. You can go there and sleep, please.
Okay. But can I come back tomorrow?
If you like. Come on, please, I'm late. Come on. Yes, come in. Come in.
Good evening. I brought you fruits. Your favorite fruits.
Why are you doing this?
What am I doing?
There's no need for this.
My dear, I thought you'd forgiven me.
See, Naya, it's not about forgiving you. It's you just acting as if nothing ever happened before now. And moreover, I think you're pushing this too fast. I think you should just take this things easy. Moreover, I'll be traveling tomorrow I'll be traveling tomorrow, so I'm really tidying up some things.
Traveling?
Yes.
Where are you traveling to?
Well, if you must know, I'm going to Abuja, and from there I'm going to the village.
Then I can come with you, right?
Of course, you know that's not possible. Most I'll be flying, and from Abuja I'll be going to the village.
You told me you do not want me in your house. Are you throwing me away indirectly?
Far be it from Naya. If I don't want you there, you wouldn't have started here in the first place. Just take it easy, like I said, okay? Please.
Mama. Papa. Mama, how are you? Papa, good afternoon.
You're welcome.
Mama, I brought you bread. For you and Papa.
We don't need your bread. Take it back. We have enough bread in this house.
Mama, this one is a very special one. Direct from the bakery. You will like it.
And I said we don't need it. We don't need your bread. Take it home for your baby. Let me ask you. What of your husband? That's your rich husband. I heard he has plenty of money. How is he?
Mama, that man is not my husband.
Eh?
That man is very wicked. He's been mean to me. I don't want to talk about him. I had to leave his house.
Huh?
I'm no longer married to him.
Story. Story.
I'm telling you the truth. That man is a devil. He doesn't take care of me. He's very, very mean. He beats me. Mama, you will not understand. I just thank God I left his house and I'm still alive today.
Yeah. Yeah. Story.
Hey, Mama. I heard my Olisa. No, my Olisa told me that he will be coming around.
You are who?
I don't know if he has arrived yet.
Who is your Olisa? Who is your Olisa? Shut up! Shut up your smelling mouth. Let me ask you, what business do you have with Olisa?
Mama, please, I beg you, help me and plead with Papa. I am very, very sorry. I know I have wronged both you and Papa, and I'm not supposed to be here to beg for your forgiveness. Please, I am very, very sorry. Mama, the truth is that since I left this house, I haven't been myself. The thought of Olisa makes me lose my mind. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
You are a shameless girl.
Hey.
You are a shameless girl.
Mama, be sorry.
Let it not be that she used to visit Olisa. Let me tell you something. Olisa, my son is married.
Hey.
If you know what is good for you, take your shameless self to your house and go and be thinking of him there.
Mama, Mama, please now, Papa.
I'll take your own level. Please do this.
Mama, I'm begging you, please, Mama. Mama. Papa.
Just get out of my face and stop it for me.
Please, I'm sorry.
Get out and stop
You needed to have seen the kind of embarrassment I faced today. If you were there, you would shed tears for me. Yeah? I'm telling you. His parents just walked out on me as if I was so invincible. I was talking to them, they behaved as if I was just wasting my time. The next thing was they stood up and left. If the ground could open, I would have entered.
I didn't know you had no shame. So you had the face to go to that house again after what you did to their son.
As if you do not know how much I love Olisa.
Love? Yes. How much do you love Olisa? Please tell me.
Oh, please, leave me. Before you start looking for someone you will blame now. Please.
Do you know you are very confused? I have never seen anyone as confused as you are in this life. You're just shameless.
Hey. Hey, are you with me or not? Because I don't understand you. Why are you talking to me as if I'm a child?
Because you act like one. You act like a child. Look, Fumnanya, if I were you, I will leave this village and will not return in years.
For what? Why? Ebere!
Please, Fumnanya, please. I am begging you in the name of God. Do not come to my house with your problems. I have my own problems. If you are looking for someone to talk to your mother. She knows it all. Please.
Hi, Papa. Papa, you're welcome.
These not my clothes.
They're your clothes, Papa. I'm washing them for you. They're very dirty. Yes. I'm also roasting yam for you. I know you like roasted yam.
Since when did you become this humble?
Papa was never a bad girl. It's just that Mama deceived me.
You became a bad girl the day you disobeyed me and married that crazy fool.
Papa, I've tried in so many ways to make you understand that I'm really, really sorry for what I did. Please, Papa, forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry, Papa.
I know you are sorry indeed. But you know that no matter how fast a wound heals, the scars remain.
Papa, I have brought you the yam. The roasted yam I made for you. Please come and eat.
But you know I have toothache. I can't eat this yam with this tooth.
Papa, I know very well that you love roasted yam. I spent almost an hour trying to make it for you. Please do not turn it down. Please just taste it.
But I can't eat it. I want to enjoy myself.
Papa, please let me
Take it away! I'm not trouble you. Don't know what it means to have bad tooth. That place of Lord, I'm touch.
Are you the one that removed the 12 Are you deaf or something?
I did. And so?
I can see that you now feel that you have the right to enter inside my house, my store, and take whatever you like, right?
What kind of a mother are you? It is very obvious to me now that you don't have conscience. You don't have it. Can't you at least sit down for a minute and think? Think about the terrible things you've done. Can't you think? Look at what you've done to me. You kept me in this terrible condition. You misled me, Mama. Yes. You can't show any remorse. Not even little. You can't show any remorse.
I don't have a conscience. I should be the one that will be remorseful. You're the one that should be remorseful. You married a good man. A man that has money. That took care of you. You said it yourself. Rather than being a good wife, you went there, messed up yourself, and they sent you packing. Let me warn you. Don't you ever enter my kitchen nor my store to carry any of my foodstuff. Do you understand what I'm saying? Nonsense.
What kind of mother are you? Hey! I feel like running away from that house. That house is like hell to me. When I walk in the village, people point at me, say nasty things about me, gossip with my name. I'm frustrated. I'm really frustrated.
I wish you had listened to me. I wish you had listened to your father. All these things wouldn't have been happening.
Now even my own father sees me as an outcast. He doesn't eat my food. My father doesn't eat what I cook. When I'm in the house, he practically runs away because he doesn't want to see me. What could be more than that? That is how bad it has become.
But do you blame him? You don't have to blame him. All you need to do is just ask him for forgiveness.
He has not even given me the opportunity to ask him for forgiveness. He hasn't even given me the opportunity to come any inch close to him.
You don't need him to give you the chance or the opportunity to talk to him. You have to create a means and ask him for forgiveness. Just go home and try and talk to him. Okay?
I know I have let you down. I have failed you and I have disrespected you in so many ways. Oh, Papa, please. Please. Papa, I am here to ask for your forgiveness. If you don't forgive me, my life will be more miserable than it is now. Please.
Get up.
No. But I will never get up until you forgive me. I won't.
Funaya, get up. I have forgiven you.
No.
Stop crying. Stop crying. I called you severally to speak to you as a child. My only child, whom I love. But we put aside everything I told you and followed your mother's way.
Papa, I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I'm deeply sorry.
It's okay.
I've never tried again.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I've always listened to you.
Stop crying, stop crying.
Agunde, please come, let me ask you something. Hey! Papa! Even if it is charm they used on you, Papa, tell them it will not work. Hey! Because I won't be alive and watch them destroy my son. But Papa, shut up, let me talk. Sometimes I look at you as if you're not my blood. Nonsense! Huh? Papa, I can't play games. What is it? Your son. Ask him what he said. That he has forgiven Funaya.
What Funaya?
Let him speak. Talk to your mother yourself.
Luka.
Mama.
Don't tell me that your sudden return is because of Funaya.
Ma, it's just that Funaya is not a good girl. She's changed.
Hey! Did you hear him? Hey! You've heard him. Hey! Yes, you heard him.
Olisa. Hey! What have you done to my son? What have you done to him? Olisa. They have used you on him.
Ma, nobody used
They have
you.
cast a spell on you.
Ma, nobody cast anything on me.
Something is wrong with you.
All I know is that there is no way a lion can beget a goat. Anything they must have done to him, it will not work so long as I'm alive. Nonsense. Hey! 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 What have they done to you? Aha! Gods of my ancestors, will you be there and watch me go into sin? Nowhere! These people have decided to destroy my son, but they will not succeed. No. If it is from the wood, I reject it. Is it from the sound here? I send it back to sender. Is it from the air? Let it follow the air. Anywhere they did it, let it not work in my son. It will not have any power to work in my son. They cannot take him away from me. No way. Even if he ate it, they give it to him and ate it in his mouth. It cannot. I mean, whether it is done by a man or a woman, living or dead, it will not work. It will not have any effect on my son.
What's the meaning of this?
Wait, my son. Let me cleanse you.
Cleanse you how?
Cleanse you from the hands of evil.
Papa, stop! What is the meaning of all this?
This is what is called cleansing. Like those people that have caged you and you're busy thinking about Naya. You don't know anything again, man.
Papa. You're making this thing look like a war.
It is war! War indeed! Do you know this is war? This war, the war is already on. Or do you want me as an elder to sit back at home and watch the she-goat deliver in the theater? Look, I will not be alive and watch somebody put his finger into my nose. The battle is on and you're talking about war. Look at what is happening now. They have hypnotized you concerning that girl.
But there is no need for all this. There is no need. But I'm not involved with this at all. Don't even count me on it. You're just wasting time. What's this? You have not even listened to me for once.
Only that you're involved.
I'm not. I don't understand this. What?
You are from the lineage of the lions. And lions do not feed on grass. John, I call you to do obedience to the cause of war. If it doesn't stop this. Police is actually in the village just because of Fulmania.
Which Fulmania are you talking about?
It's the same ungrateful girl.
The same Fulmania who broke your heart and followed another man?
She has left her husband's house and my son want to bring her, want to take her.
No.
Want to take her.
No, you don't have to. Are you under his spell?
Ask him, Jualumia.
Did she use juju on you? Did she charm you?
Ask him. Ask him.
You mean you want to settle for a woman who almost ruined your life? What kind of madness is that now?
Ask him.
So what happened?
It is not madness. It's surprising and strange that you're joining Papa and Mama to treat me like a small boy.
Are you not a boy? Olisa, are you not a boy? Olisa, you are a child. You are a small boy. What is all this? A boy again,
you are still out.
And there is Dikeh.
Even if your head touches the sky, you still remain our son.
Anyway, the truth is that if I had known that this is the reason why Papa called me for this meeting, I wouldn't have answered to it. And as it is right now, I have to take my leave. Excuse me.
Olisa!
Hey!
Olisa, Loka! Hey! This is not the Olisa I used to know.
Yasin! Listen, what he now does, just do what? Calling on Fulmaya, and nothing else. That was why I called you, to come and witness for yourself. Because if a man sees a snake, he can turn it to be a bat.
How can a man take into his arm the same dog that beats his manhood? This is not ordinary. They have gone to Dibia's house,
and that will not work. It will not work for them. I can't be here and fold my eyes and watch them ruin my only son. It was impossible. It will not work. I will show them why I'm calling you. They will see the reason I'm calling you. I will not watch them destroy my only son. Which one is his wife or whatever they call it.
Tension is so high, man.
Tension high? What happened?
It's not something I want to talk about.
No. We have to talk about it. I hope you're not having problems with your parents because of Naya. No. Your mother complains bitterly about it. And honestly, when she was complaining, I thought she was joking. And I told her I will talk to you. Thank God I've seen you now. What's the problem?
Like I said before, it's not something I want to talk about. But I want to go find somewhere that this really love should stay.
We have to discuss it. Because you're my friend. And as good friends, I have to be honest with you. I hope you're not planning or thinking of going back to that girl. No, seriously, if you do, I will see you as a man who throws out his spit and goes back to lick it.
You invited me to eat duck. Your pigs colleagues and let me ask you. At any point in time, discussed with you is related to whether I will bring her back.
But you see, why I'm saying it is because if you're crying, it's me you will come to. I don't want you to go back to her again. Don't forget what she did to you. She dealt with you.
You need to follow me. So we look for a place to relax and at least take fresh moment. Alright.
Talking about going to drink. Do you have money with you?
She's waiting.
Well, listen. As your friend, I want you to tell me this. Are you still interested in Fumnanya?
Does it look to you like I'm still interested in her?
I'm the one asking the question.
Yeah, but I'm asking it back to you. I'm putting it back to you. Have I at any point in time discussed the issue concerning Fumnanya?
Whether I want her back or not? The way you're going about it shows that...
Oh yeah, yes. Are we going to drink or not?
Listen, this girl treated you so bad.
Onyeka, are you going to drink or you want me to leave it right so that you can continue on your own?
Olisa, I want to know the reason why you reached out to me and your parents. Because we want the best for you. I want to know why you.
Well, Auntie, I don't understand why one will not have rest in his father's house. Yeah. This is my father's house.
Olisa,
so,
you haven't answered my question. I want to know why you walked out on us. Because you said you will not marry that wicked girl. That wicked girl. Eh?
And the reason why you left your husband's house. Far, please. You come here and start disturbing us. Is it fair?
No, it's not important. It's not important. You think we will stay alive and allow somebody use juju on you to scatter your head? You think that will happen? It will not happen. It won't.
There's nobody using juju on you. Okay.
See here. And that's the reason you want to bring back the same girl. The same girl that almost ruined your life. Hey.
My life is not ruined. I've said that to you before. My life is...
Hey! Hey! See the way my son is talking. My son is talking like someone the head is inside the evil forest.
Like a man.
Which man? Which man? Hey! Your heart is still with that girl.
No, now my wife. It will not happen. It won't happen. He will not marry that girl. You won't marry that girl.
You're just stressing yourself, Auntie. You are stressing yourself for nothing. And it's not good for your health.
So what we're saying is not important to you, eh, Olisa? It's not important.
Enough!
Okay, now we'll see.
Oh, you land, hear my voice. The spirit of my ancestors, bear ye me now witness. You that guide within the four walls of this compound, that I am not in support of my son marrying Fumunaya. But if he goes ahead and marries her, my spirit will forever torment him. So be it.
Whatever that they have done, wherever that they have gone to, that thing will not work. I promise you it will not work. I will call my pastor to and tell him all these things that is happening here. Because we cannot sit and allow this thing to happen. It won't happen, no. Eh? Where is he? Olisa! Olisa, where are you from here?
Gods of our land, the spirit of my ancestors, I call to appease you with this collar. I am from the lineage of the lions. And whoever touches the tail of a lion must be beaten by it. Olisa, good that you are here. If you dare marry that girl, you know what I will do? I will get into this house, lock up myself there, and set myself ablaze. Then my spirit will always torment you.
And I will join you. I will join you. Let's give Olisa the chance to dance this dance of shame. Dance this dance of shame.
If anything happens to my brother, if anything happens to my brother, I will gather the mother here and they will place a curse on you. Bet me on that.
Do you know that that girl going to run from the city?
What? Look at him. No. This is juju now. This is juju in action.
Auntie, there's nobody using spell on me. No juju on me. I'm normal.
You are normal?
Yes.
Do you look normal? Do you look normal?
Like this? I don't understand this. I want to go out.
You are going where?
I'm going out.
Will you sit down there? Sit down there! Fool! You are going where? I said sit down. Listen, if you dare step out of this place now, I'll just place a curse upon you. No, sir. Will you pass?
But why are you talking to me as if I'm a child, sir?
Shut up your mouth and sit down! Olisa, you are a small boy. You must listen to your father. Sit down. Sit down, Olisa. Sit down. Sit down. If you step an inch here, Olisa, if you step an inch here, you will visit Mongo Park today.
Just leave him. Let him try it. Watch for not listening.
Hello? Oh, thank God. Hello, Pastor, please. Are you still around? Oh, thank God. Please, can you come to my brother's house? Eh? The devil wants to steal and destroy. Please, can you come quickly, please? Eh? It's very urgent. Okay, you're coming. Thank God. Please hurry, hurry. We are waiting. What? Thank you. God forbid that I will allow this to happen. You see that girl? That girl and her mother have failed. They will know that I serve a powerful God. A God that I worship can never allow this to happen. I tell you that.
But Auntie, I told you there is no juju on me.
Say this one. You hear yourself? That is how people talk when they are under a spell if you don't know that. Let me tell you. Do you hear me? That is how they talk.
Nobody is even interested in hearing my own opinion. You people are just talking.
Shut up your mouth. Which opinion? Which nonsense opinion?
Shut, I want to go out. I told you people that before.
You are going where? I said sit down and don't go to anywhere. Sit down!
Lisa, sit down.
Are you out of your senses?
Listen to your father. Huh? Sit down.
Sit down!
Sit down.
Is it because I left you all this while? You're showing disobedience. What's wrong with you?
I've been outside.
Go! Will you sit down? If you step out of here, I will go out.
Pastor is here. Pastor is here. Pastor, thank God you're here. An evil woman cast a spell on my nephew. Please, I want you to pray. Pray, oh,
The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. In Jesus' name, Father, we thank you for a day like this. With the way you delivered Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, we want you to deliver this young man in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Father, we thank you for a day like this because we know you have done it. Because we know you have delivered for a day like this.
Rub it on.
I don't understand this at all. Look at my whole body. Look at the whole of my body. Eh? See, I'm dripping of oil.
We needed to nullify you from the juju in your body.
Nullify me from what? What, Auntie? You didn't even ask for my opinion. Eh? You just started pouring me oil. What's that now?
Opinion, you say?
Yes.
Well, at least you can now talk sensibly. Let's hear your opinion. Let's hear that your opinion now. Talk, let's hear
Oh,
it.
it's not that you want me to talk.
Talk.
Now. So before I was talking rubbish. Why didn't you ask me before?
Okay, let's hear it. Talk, let's hear it.
Anyway, let me just say it. case you people were thinking that I came into this village because of Funaya, it's a lie. I did not come because of Funaya.
Why then are you in the village this week?
Because I have a surprise for you people, Papa.
Surprise?
Yes, Papa.
What kind of surprise can come from you if not topics of Funaya?
There you go wrong, Papa. There you go wrong. Because it's not only the elderly that knows everything. You should have asked me first. That's the point. That's why I said nobody listened to me. Nobody.
Okay, so what's the surprise?
But I found a woman that I want to marry. And she's coming here today.
Story. Okay, who is she?
Sister, one of the daughters of the Cantis, our Cantis here. Which of his daughters? As you soon be here. When she comes, you all see her. But look at me now, I'm expecting a visitor. Look at her, I'm tripping up right. Okay, you're welcome.
I know. I'm so sorry. Sorry that I've been late. I was in a meeting with some core members at our package.
No, it's okay. You came on time. Come, please come. This is okay. Like I said, you came right on time. Okay. Meet my parents. My mom, my dad. My auntie, my dad's sister.
Welcome.
Papa.
Welcome.
This is okay. The surprise that I said and she's the daughter of our Cantis.
Are you not the medical doctor that lives in Abuja?
Yes, I'm
that you've changed so much.
Okay,
welcome.
Like I was saying before, to cut the long story short, I know they met once and we've been friends and close, but we have decided to get married.
Married?
I am thinking of going to Okorocha to borrow money, my brother. So we'll be able to collect this for the marriage rights. Okay. Whatever it is to do, the earlier the better. We don't have time. Remember, we are on cheap. Let me get it for you.
Please, I will not disobey you again. I know I have wronged you so deeply. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
So you think after insulting me, you can just come and ask for forgiveness and you expect me to forgive you, huh?
Please.
No, you think it's that easy, right?
You know how mad I can be.
Please.
Now I'll tell you. By the time I go in there and come out.
No, my husband, don't change your face. You know, whenever you change your face, your anger is always very bad. Please. Please, my husband, don't be angry. Please, don't be. Please. Please.
the humiliation, the embarrassment you and my mother cost me. Have you seen it? Have you seen my life? Thank you very much. But I have one thing to tell you. Till I die, I will never be able to forgive you for this. I will not.
Yeah, what they call it. Is there anything wrong with you? With your head? Is there anything wrong with you?
Are you asking me that question? Oh yes! Something is wrong with my head. You do not know. I have gone insane. Look at me. I am so ashamed of myself. I can't even stand out amongst my peers. All thanks to you and my mother. You encouraged me to get married to Desmond. Look at my life. If you did not do that with my mother, all this wouldn't have happened to me. But thank you very much. Thank you.
Come. Was I the person who called Desmond to come and marry you? Eh?
You think I do not know your goal? I know you very well. You love bribe. Yes, you have the same character with my mother. You collected bribe from my mother and you discarded me. As a trash can, you discarded me and gave me out to go and suffer. But my God will judge you. You will suffer for everything you have done to me. You will.
Ebere, did you see your friend? Did you see how she stands here and insults me anyhow? And you are doing what?
What are you talking about? You're talking about insults. I haven't even insulted you. I don't even have time to insult you. All I have come is to tell you that you will suffer for all this good you have cursed me. You will suffer and you will pay.
What? Go and tell that to your mother. Look at this girl.
Ooh la 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 la.
Ebere, you are laughing, eh? Eh?
When you were busy eating the bribe, did you give me?
Eh? Alright.
Do you know that life is sweet when beauty meets beauty? Naya, today I saw what I call educated people's traditional marriage.
Who married who?
Oh, you didn't hear?
Hear what? Tell me now. You know I don't like such things.
Naya, if you see people that I saw in the traditional marriage, ministers, senators, medical doctors, government officials.
What I saw today. Hey! Tell me, why are you understand?
Naya, if you see the way money was flying in the air.
Oh, then stop it now, stop it. If you're meant to tell me, I don't like suspense people.
If you see drinks, different kinds of drinks, assorted drinks. Naya, today was, oh God, today, hey!
Papa, welcome, sir.
Papa, no.
You are in our house?
Yes, sir.
You are welcome. Did you see what I saw over there?
Papa, that is exactly what I'm telling you, Naya. This is one in town. I've never seen this before.
That's wonderful. I've never seen such a thing all my life.
Me too.
I never knew that little girl knew people of that caliber in their numbers. See how money was spread everywhere. Olisa was dancing on money. Hey!
Which Olisa are you talking about? Is it my own Olisa?
Olisa got married today.
He's not April Fool today. And I'm not ready to take that from you. Thank you very much.
Naya, Olisa got married today. If you don't believe what we are saying, go and see for yourself. Olisa got married today. It is still happening.
Papa, I don't understand what. Olisa got married and you never told me. I don't know.
I forgot. But they got married today.
Hey, my sister. Before I forget, I have to go and prepare dinner for my father. Oh, you still late.
Olisa cannot be married. She's just joking. Olisa cannot be married. Papa!
You know you didn't love me the first day.
Who said so?
I did. I saw it in your eyes.
No. I was just lost in your beauty.
And I did all the talking.
Well, the truth about it, I didn't know where to start. So that I don't get too upset. Also, when you now told me that you're a medical doctor, oh my god. I said I'm finished. Well, I mean, I never would have believed it that you would have accepted a man like myself. A trader, I mean a businessman. A common man for that matter.
Baby, you're not common. You're not common. Nothing about you is common, yes. Don't you ever qualify yourself as such thing.
Thank you.
You're my hero. You know, that day I saw you at the airport. The moment I set my eyes on you, there's this thing, I don't know what to call it. It just started drawing me to you, you know? The way you smile, your structure. I just said to myself, this is the kind of man I need for my husband. Everything about you was just so perfect. And then you asked me out for lunch. And I said, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, because this is prayer answered. My husband finally answered my prayer.
And he answered it.
Yes, he did. He did. Isn't this so sweet?
Make the heart that loves you. True love is hard to find. When love goes away, it may never come back again. Don't break the heart that loves you. Don't break the heart that loves you. True love is hard to find. When love goes away, it may never come back again. Don't break the heart that loves you.
Mama, good morning. Good morning, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine.
Please, my daughter, did you pack clothes from my bed?
Yes, I did. I wanted to help you to wash them.
Oh, thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. I hope you slept well.
I slept well, my dear. On this.
I'm almost done, Mama.
Please do come and rest. You need to rest.
I'll rest when I'm done, okay?
You need to rest.
Mama, you're the one that needs help, yeah? You've been doing all this by yourself. Let me assist you.
Thank you. Just hurry up so that you have to rest, right?
Just go and wait until you see the door, right? Yes.
I think God knew why he pushed from my out of research.
She washed mine too. You don't get it, I'm telling you.
Hey! Despite her education, a medical doctor like that, she's still up.
She's very much.
Wow, we thank you, God.
Oh, the food is ready.
Yes,
Call your husband. I've already called myself. I don't know. Call yourself. Let's get to sit. Yeah, you do. Oh, I was only talking to my wife. The food is getting cold. Let's sit down. What is it, Luca? Let's talk on one. If you have gone, talking to your own wife. Now, pray over this food. Well, I can't. In Jesus' name. Amen.
To add these ones to the things you're taking to the city.
Mama, you don't have to bother yourself, eh? You're supposed to be the ones giving you, not the other way around, eh?
My dear, you always have the right way to.
Okay, Mama, let me take this inside.
Okay.
Oh, good afternoon.
Oh, Naya, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
From Nayo Code. From Nayo Code.
Okay, Chiaba.
Nayo Code. Like ages, where have you been?
You left since our secondary school. No one has seen you since then. Nnem, I heard you're now a doctor.
Yes, my dear, I am. All thanks to God. All thanks to God.
I'm so happy for you.
You both know each other?
Yes, Mama. We attended the same secondary school together. Yes.
What are you doing here?
I came to see Olisa. Mama, is Olisa around?
Olisa is around.
Call your husband for her.
Okay. Sweetheart! Sweetheart!
Yes?
My darling husband, please, because somebody wants to see you.
Who is that?
What is going on?
Let me take this thing inside.
Mama, what is going on? Excuse me. Come.
Can you imagine? Come here to look for what I do not know.
My husband. What was the meaning of that? What are you not telling me?
Okay, I don't really want to discuss that from Naya girl. I don't want to discuss her issue at all.
Just tell me whatever that is bothering you. Whatever it is, just
Anyway, if you insist on knowing, see that from Naya, we're actually dating in a relationship that I had to sacrifice everything to make sure she graduates from the university. And we had agreed that we were going to get married by this January that passed. What did I get in return? She abandoned me, she and her mother. She followed one man that they felt was very rich. Now she's coming back to look for what I do not know.
my husband, is it the same girl Auntie Joy told me about?
What did you tell you about?
Yes, she did, but I didn't know she was the one.
I didn't see. She She's the one. I suffered for this girl. I labored. There were even times that I didn't have at all. I went abroad to make sure she was comfortable at school. At the end of the day, what did I get to eat? After graduation, we were supposed to have gotten married. Money broke my heart, she shattered it. Left me in the middle of nowhere. Now she's coming back. Coming back for what?
It's okay, my cousin. I'm here to mend your heart. I will make it hard for you. She doesn't know what it means to have a man that is real to the bone. I'll make sure
love a woman nana okwero ndidi obimbawa ewelo oguna boya love ebo munoba okwero ndidi.
Anyway, I came to inform you that Onyeka and his family are coming to pay my bride price next week.
Nanya.
Papa, you know we have to be on our way now. The journey to Abuja is back. Mama, you're still drinking out. What is this?
I need to keep it. Yes. Take this thing. Open the car, open the front side and put everything inside.
Put it at the back seat.
I'll be sitting with this stuff. We have food in the city. We have enough.
This one is for me.
Okay.
This is village own.
How many weeks are we going to eat this one now?
Okay. I want your husband to grow fat when next is going to come to the village.
Mama, I'll feed him fat, don't worry.
Why won't I grow fat with all these things?
And you, Olisa, when next people are coming, I want to see your wife.
Mama, you trust your son now.
You come now.
See the position, that position I'm using to carry him. I didn't say that.
We need fat here now. Aguna.
Papa.
Mama, take care of this family.
I will, Mama, I will. Take care of yourself too.
Okay, you.
Hey, Papa.
Take care, huh?
Oh. Take care of yourself. Take care.
You want to help me?
Hey, let me help you.
Don't stay with handle.
I will not.
Go down.
Agunya, I am proud of you. You will make a good husband.
Love okwero ndidi. Kosiafo, love nerekoko, love a woman nana. Okwero ndidi, obi mbawa, ewe lobu na boya, love ya bomu noba. Okwero ndidi, kosiafo.